Welcome, friends. Welcome to my channel, Visionary Vicky. Today's story is Rainy Weather. Let's practice some words first. Then I'll be reading at normal speed. Follow along. Let's go. Vocabulary. Rain. Rain. Gray. Gray. Almost. Almost. Noon. Noon. Hidden. Hidden. Blanket. Blanket. Flying. Flying. Anywhere. Anywhere. Couple. Couple. Telephone. Telephone. Wire. Wire. Standing. Standing. Outside. Outside. There. There. Hands. Hands. Pockets. Pockets. Probably. Probably. Sudden. Sudden. Breeze. Breeze. Blue. Blue. Leaves. Leaves. Sidewalk. Sidewalk. Young. Young. Woman. Woman. Coat. Coat. Waited. Waited. Patiently. Patiently. Streets. Streets. Usual. Usual. Weather. Weather. Trash. Trash. Plants. Plants. Ocean. Ocean. Surf. Surf. Surfers. Surfers. Sniffed. Sniffed. Waves. Waves. Water. Water. Extra. Extra. Motor oil. Motor oil. Streets. Streets. Okay, on to the story. Rainy weather. It looked like rain. The sky was gray. It was almost noon. But the sun was hidden by a gray blanket. It was cool. There were no birds flying anywhere. A couple of birds sat on a telephone wire. Bob was standing outside, talking to Bill. They both had their hands in their pockets. They knew it was probably going to rain soon. A sudden breeze blew some leaves off a tree onto the sidewalk. A young woman wearing a dark blue coat and jeans walked by. She was walking a small dog. It was small and pretty. It sniffed at a tree trunk. The woman waited patiently. Bob said that he liked the rain. It was a nice change from the usual hot Los Angeles weather, and the plants could always use the extra water. Bill said the only thing he didn't like about rain was that all the motor oil on the streets would get washed into the ocean, and so would all the trash. But that never stops the surfers, Bob said. They don't seem to care what's in the water as long as there are waves to surf on. Whoa, time to go. That's all for today. Thank you for practicing with me. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you can find me again. See the other stories and videos on my channels? Just click my channel name and then click videos. See you soon. Bye bye.